Vanny, one of the most underused characters in Security Breach, and oddly one of Funko's better Security Breach figures. Let's talk about it.
Are you having fun yet?
Vanny's basic shape is better than the Glamrock's, although they made this girl crazy thick compared to her in-game model. Yes, they still slacked on the figure, especially in regards to the paint job. I mean shit, not only are some parts of her blue for some reason, but some of the stitched areas, which funny enough Funko did actually sculpt, go completely unpainted. And something else I find funny is the right shade of gray was used on one of her ears and feet, but for some reason the other areas that are meant to be gray were painted blue. Oh yeah, and one last thing about the paint, not only were Funko too lazy to mold this costumed woman regular body parts, but the animatronic joints they gave her are solid black. Would it really have been too much to ask for you to just paint them white? Anyway, Vanny also comes included with a knife, something that I guess was cut from the game, and that's it. She's better than the Glamrocks, far from perfect, but so far, she's probably the best. If you want one of these for yourself, links to purchase them can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Have a nice day.
Looking for more horror fun?
You're goddamn right.
Then check out the VHS comic book series, a parody of the horror genre that follows the lives of 3 teens as they fight to survive a horror movie, where every day is loaded with blood, boobs, and buds. The first 2 issues can be found in the description below.
I was obsessed with the VHS.